Did you hear the news? Are you in the know? God, I hate that saying. Of course you're in the know. You're also in the now because, well, it's now. Anyway, Guy is going on a social media world tour with ApprovedAdvertising.com. Now, in his absence, I want you to know that it is still strongly recommended that you buy your social media packages. You know, he's got this thing about you mooks not paying your tower tax. You know what I'm talking about. I am here to make sure that does not happen. So you and me are going to be real good friends because these two eyes are on you, my friend. Well, he's out doing his thing. I'm sure you'll hear about it on the news. You know, the TV, the internet, all those info sources that are everywhere these days. You know, the things that keep you in the know and in the now. You'll see him on there. Oh, who said anything about you getting a piece of the action? Oh, you heard because you're in the know and the now and all that business. Well, yeah, okay, you maybe heard right, but you know what you gotta do? You gotta head over to ApprovedAdvertising.com. Come on, turn on your crystal ear. You have to head over to ApprovedAdvertising.com. Nothing in life is free. In fact, nothing in life is that easy, especially if it involves me. Now, painful, that's a whole different story. If you want a piece of the action, you're gonna have to go over there. There's no other way to do it. I'm sorry. Okay, now you're just being difficult. You see what I mean? Head over to ApprovedAdvertising.com. Get yourself a piece of the action. Guy will take care of you. Trust me. Okay. I forgot I don't have a mustache. But if I did, I would be twirling it menacingly right now. Get out of here. I'm tired of this, all right? You're just not listening. If you need, there's a replay button somewhere. Back it up and you'll figure out how to get a piece of the action. I'm getting out of here. I had stuff to do. A deck to build. That's what I'm doing. What? You're going to do what? Stereotypes now? Oh, you're a piece of work, I'm telling you what.